rolling too.
Woo! This is the mini rope bag. It's constructed from a 100% cotton canvas. It's 16 inches tall by 9 inches wide and 4 inches deep. This bag has multiple organizational options. You have a main compartment with zip closure on the right-hand side. Open it up, polyester lining, and an internal zip pocket to keep your extra special goodies safe. An additional zip pocket on the left-hand side. Look at that polyester liner in there. You have 2 pockets on the front, hook and loop closure pocket on the top, and a zip closure pocket on the bottom, perfect for some chapstick. And on the back, KAVU embroidery all the way up, a KAVU custom rope strap, a side release buckle with KAVU embossed logo on there. You want to make sure to see this on your bag. It ensures that it is an authentic KAVU bag. This crossbody strap right down here has a little elastic loop to hold any excess of that nylon webbing. Starts at 20 inches and is going to expand all the way to 40 inches. This bag is made to be worn on your right hand shoulder, and that is the mini rope bag. Available worldwide in a multitude of colors.